Alright everybody, welcome back to the channel. Pulling in there to our secret, yet not so secret, rail fanning spot. They fixed the driveway for us, it looks like. Hitchcock Woods, Lisle, Illinois. We were missing a freight train. I don't know if you can see that up there. Let's go see if we can catch it. Awful timing. I have awful timing. Hope you enjoy the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, comment. As I said, we're here at Hitchcock. Gonna check out the scanner. Check out the metro schedule. It's the 4th of July. Happy Independence Day. Don't know how many trains we're gonna see, but it's a good start. All right, it is a hot 4th of July, 2024. Come out to one of our old places. We used to come often. It's close to home. Burlington Northern Santa Fe, Chicago subdivision. The racetrack. Caught that partial freight train there right as we pulled in. That was kind of terrible timing on my part, but I'm used to that. Couple of metros coming, although I don't believe they're doing full service due to the holiday, but we'll bring those to you and anything else we see. All right, according to Metro Tracker, we should have an inbound metro train coming around the curve here any second. Chicago bound commuter train. Here I can see its light coming now. Of course, being Chicago bound, it'll be cab car first. You can see here on the Metro Tracker website, we've also got an outbound commuter train coming at us from Downers Grove. So that's about 2 stops away. Catch it here in a few minutes. It'll have to stop in Lisle first and then drive by us. All right, so our outbound Metro leaving Lisle train station right now. See if we can get a little bit closer to the tracks here. All right, here comes an eastbound freight. Book it along, track 2, center track. right, hope you enjoyed those couple of freight trains there, a couple of Metra trains here on the 4th of July. We're going to wrap it up and go celebrate with family and go see some fireworks tonight. But we'll see you on the next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We appreciate you being here, and we'll see you later. Have a good, safe, and happy holiday.